It's crazy. It's curly, 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 curly. It's the Mother Nature. It's a Mother Nature. Hello, Mother Nature. We love the Mother Nature. Yeah. Ah. No, it's just video. I just record it when I will edit no voice of me because I don't like my voice in a video, but I don't want to show you because anyone ask me who's that guy.
You already.
You know the stupid Filipina and they make jealous, idiot. The Filipina mindset is like that. Oh, I don't post it. I will cut it.